Like, here you go. Just so y'all can see. Here you go. Oh wait, let me turn you around so y'all know it's not fake. Hey guys, it is your girl, the Makeup Plug, and I'm back again with another video. I know I have been gone. I haven't made a real video in so long, and I'm sorry if I look down. I am finally recording from a real camera instead of my phone, and I'm still getting used to it. I bought the Canon EOS Rebel T6 just as a starter camera, and I am super excited. Like, y'all, let me know if I'm in focus, because from the monitor on my computer I look good, I'm straight, but just let me know how I'm doing. I probably might have to tilt the camera just a tad bit, but so far so good. I'm excited, and I'm just basically back to tell you guys how I've been. Like, I haven't been on maybe 8 months because of my business. My business took over my life a little bit, and I'm just happy. You know, I am back. I finally am able to record. I got my own office. I'm not in my dining room anymore. I am excited, y'all. I know it's been very hard for me just adjusting my life to my business, because I didn't expect my business to take off like it did. So yes, I'm back, I'm better, and I'm learning how to balance everything. So I'm just so excited for how far I've come, and I'm very thankful, and I thank God for everything that He's done in my life, and it's just very exciting. Because I didn't expect, if you guys saw my first post on when I first told everyone about my business on YouTube, let's see, because I'm gonna insert it in this video. So let me go back to YouTube. It was 8 months ago. Can y'all see that? There we go. It was 8 months ago. I don't know, it might not focus, but it was 8 months ago, y'all. Like, that's crazy. Like, that's how long I've been in business. 8 months. And it's just been I've been very grateful. I've been very thankful. I'm happy. Like, y'all, my husband has supported my business so much. He is such a team player. Like, it's been amazing, and I want to thank all of you for supporting my business, for supporting me for so long. And I just feel very grateful, very thankful, y'all. When I started 8 months ago, and this was in quarantine, like, we couldn't go outside. Like, I did not expect to grow this fast. I didn't expect for my business to now almost hit 10,000 followers. We are 1,100 followers away from hitting 10K. Like, and I've only been in business in 8 months, and I know that's not a lot for some of you, but for me, that I am so grateful. Like, thank you for all the orders you guys put in. Thank you for the support you give. Thank you guys so much for everything, because without you guys, I would not be here today to even talk about my story. Like, when I started, I didn't expect anything. I was just doing what I love, because some of you know that I am a makeup artist, and I had to push that aside in order to do this business and to be very serious, because my 3rd month in business is when everything just like took off for me, and I just couldn't believe it. Like, it's been an amazing journey. Like, when I say I had sleepless nights, I had to get my 3rd month in business. I only had 1,000 followers and 800 packages within a week to get one video went viral on my page, and I'll post it probably right here. I'll post the video that went viral for my business. I had one video that went viral. I'll post it right here. And when I say within 24 hours, I had 200 orders that whole week. it kept going and going and going, and 200 orders turned in 800. And when I say I had sleepless nights, I wasn't getting no sleep. I was up till 4 in the morning packing orders, doing everything that I could. Like, y'all, when I say that, I mean that. Like, your girl was getting orders together. I was putting in that work. Like, when you put in that work, everything will come full circle. I'm telling you now. So how I started my business, I started my business with $50, and I was just like, listen, because I was already a makeup artist. I was using already my own product, and then everybody loved the way I did makeup. I'll insert some clips right here. And so I was just like, listen, if I do it now, nobody can ever say I didn't do it. I didn't try. So it was actually going good. I used my YouTube name, The Makeup Plug, and I bought my name. I started off, because I didn't have like the money to buy my LLC, so I started off just buying my domain so nobody else can use it or take it. And then it was going good. You know, I was getting 1 or 2 sales each day, which wasn't bad, you know, because at that point, my first 2 months, I was making like over $1,000 a month. And then my 3rd month in business is when it all took off. Like, I didn't expect this. This one product changed my whole life, and this is our neon pigment stacker. Hold on, let me see. Basically, this one product here changed my whole life. It's our neon pigment stack, and it literally took off. Within, I had over 800 orders for this in my 3rd month. I had restless nights, sleepless nights. I couldn't sleep because I was too busy getting these babies out, and I just couldn't believe it. Within my 3rd month, I made over $20,000 within 2 weeks. And when I say I was shocked, I was expected, not once. And that's when I knew. I was just like, oh crap, like, now you gotta take this seriously. Like, when I would say I would be up till 4 in the morning packing orders, losing sleep. Like, I wouldn't sleep. I probably get like until after the mail lady came, because this is during quarantine. You couldn't leave the house. You really couldn't go anywhere. And so I had to wait for the mail lady to come, and sometimes she'll come early in the morning, or she'll come like 4 p.m. and I would have to stay and watch her because she can't come to our doors due to quarantine. So I would have to run downstairs and meet her in her mail truck to give her all these freaking packages. Like, when I was saying my little 1-bedroom apartment with my husband was so flooded, like, I was working in my dining room. Now I have an office, which I am so grateful for. But before, I was working in my dining room, y'all. I was getting to work, and I was putting it in like a sleepless night. Sometimes I would forget to eat because I was just busy making sure I got these orders out. Like, I'm so thankful. If you ever used my products or ever even bought my products, please tag us. Even comment down below what you think about our products or what you think we need to add, because I'm just so grateful. That one viral video literally took my business off the map. Like, it was crazy. Like, I'll put the video right here, but that one video that Jerry the Worst, shout out to her, she is so amazing. She's an amazing DC makeup artist. She used our pigments from our pigment set. She used our orange one, and it took off. Like, y'all, it went crazy, and I'm just so thankful and I'm so grateful. Yeah, being in business, it showed me a lot. Like, I feel like sometimes people have this thoughts about being a business owner because everybody wants to be a boss, but nobody wants to put the work in. And that's where sometimes it can get hard, because you want to post, oh, I've done this, oh, I'm about to do this, I'm about to stunt everybody. You can't stunt if you ain't putting the work in, first of all. Because you got to think, being a boss, you got to play every role in here. You got to be the photographer, you got to be the shipper, you got to pack these orders, you got to check this inventory, you got to basically be your model sometimes. And that was the problem for me, because I'm very shy and I didn't like my face being the face of the brand. And starting out, I didn't have any models because it was quarantine. Like, I didn't want to be like around anybody or anything like that, because I didn't know, you know, with all this COVID stuff, I'm just like, what's going on? So I had to be my own model. I had to be the face of my own brand. And then it was hard to work with influencers because some wouldn't even answer emails back or anything like that. So I literally had to put the work in. I was literally every role you could think of. Like, I was my model. I was the one taking photo pictures. I was the one designing my own website. When before I got my new website, before everything changed, I designed my own website myself off my phone. This is before my laptop, my thermal printer. It's before all of that. Like, my 3rd month in business is when everything took off, and I didn't have none of what I have now. I didn't have a thermal printer. I had my old printer, which I still have right here, and I was literally cutting and taping the labels on. Like, I'm very thankful for the work that I put in to be able to be here right now and to even go further. Like, you have to put that work in. Your business will take off, but you have to remember that in order for your business to be successful, you have to be number one. You always got to push your brand no matter what. It's people that'll be like, oh, your goals, I wish my business would be there. Your business can be there. I promise you, it can be there. But you have to be consistent. How haven't you posted since September? But you on Instagram now, on your business page? You can't do that. If you want to be in the same position, you gotta put the work in, and it is so easy. Think about content, create content. Look at the bigger brands like MAC, Estee Lauder, Morphe, even Fashion Nova. Like, check them out, see what they post, how they create content. You know what I'm saying? Just think about what they're doing and just make it happen. Look at your competitors, see what they're doing. Don't copy, but just see what they're doing and see what you could do different for your brand. You know, that's just like, anybody could have a great and consistent and successful business, but you gotta put that work in. Don't wish or pray for something that you can't work for. Because if you're not putting the work in, how can God bless you? You know what I'm saying? Write your goals. I always have my goals right behind me. I always read it every morning. You don't write goals just to waste time with them. Like, my friend got me this board, which I'm very thankful for. She got it for my birthday. And because she know I've been telling her I want to write more so long. And I always have it in different categories. Important, basically my affirmations, the mood I am for this month, and just basically what I'm not giving up, basically. And this is my no limitation one. This is basically no excuses. I don't accept excuses for anything. I don't care. You know, because excuses is what pulls you back from what you could be. Let's just be honest. When you have an excuse, you just set yourself back so much. Because you gotta think, I know everybody knows one person that has an excuse for every single thing. Why they couldn't do this, why they couldn't do this, or why would you do this? They have one excuse for every single thing. And so basically, this is what my no limitation means. It means no excuses. Hashtag, that's why you'll see it on my business page a lot. Hashtag no excuses. Because I even moved for my birthday. That was my early birthday gift to myself. I wanted to move into a bigger and nicer place, which I am so happy for. And while I was moving, I didn't delay any packages. I was still packing my stuff. I was still packing clothes. Even though we started over with everything, we got new furniture, everything. It was no excuse. I didn't even tell anybody I was moving. I just did it. I was just like, listen, let me just say what I'm doing just to do it now, because there's no excuse. Because if I have an excuse now, it's going to be an excuse later. I didn't delay nothing. People always make time for what they want to do and what they're going to. And you have to prioritize your business as one of those. And honestly, let's just be honest. Let's be upfront. Your business has to be one of those. It can't be anything else. Your business has to be your number one priority. If you're in this business just to be like, oh, I got a business, let me just do this, ha ha ha. But if you're not serious with it, your business will never take off. Anybody's business can be successful. I'm telling you. You just gotta put that work in. You just gotta do what you know best. Like, if you have a number one product, which is lip gloss, girl, make sure you're doing content with it. Make sure you're doing videos with it. Like, show off your lip gloss. Always wear it. Always show it. Y'all have so much ability. Just put that work in. Just do it, you know? If you needed a sign, this is your sign. Put that work in, and please bring it. Like, put that work in. You did not start a business just to let it sit. You did not start a business just to stop it. Like, don't come with no excuse. Like, seriously, I started my business with $50. Like, it'll be days where I don't even get orders, but I still put that work in. I'm telling you, work pays off. Have faith in your business. Have faith in yourself. Don't lose that faith just because you are down on yourself or you feel a little upset or a little mad. Push yourself. Be your #1 fan. As long as you're your #1 fan, you can achieve anything. I promise you. Like, no matter what you put yourself through, you got this. I'm telling you, like, you got this. Comment down what was one goal that you had that you wanted to accomplish. And if you still haven't accomplished it, comment down below what it is. Or if you have accomplished your goal, comment down below what it was. My biggest goal was starting this business and moving, and I did both. My next biggest goal is to hit 6 figures. I know, but I want y'all to comment down below what is your #1 goal that you want to achieve. If you still have not achieved it, or if you have, comment down below what your achievement was, because I want to know. Like, I want all positive vibes, everything like that. Like, 2020, yes, it's put us through a lot, I know, but no matter what, like, we're still grateful. Think positive. Always stay positive no matter what. No matter what you're going through, no matter what, no matter what you've been through, like, always stay positive no matter what. Like, y'all got this at the end of the day. Like, y'all are made for this, I'm telling you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, leave me some blue hearts down below. Talk about your goals. Like, I want to chat with you guys. And if you haven't already, follow my business page. It'll be right here. Yes, follow themakeupplug.co on Instagram. And also shop with us at www.themakeupplug.com. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and for watching my videos. I am so grateful to be back on YouTube. It's such an exciting moment, I'm telling you guys.